In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can pay with Bitcoin on MoonPay. So the first thing that you will have to do once you've logged into your MoonPay account is ensure that you've already created your profile, you've already verified your account and activated your portfolio so that you will be able to access all of its features and maximize all of it. So yeah, once you've made sure that you have your account already all set up, what you will have to do is you will look for the pay with Bitcoin option or feature or something like that. So you could also just explore the app so that you will be able to see that. So once you see pay with Bitcoin or something similar to that, you will just have to click that and then enter the recipient wallet address or merchant address, and then you will enter the amount and check the current BTC rate, and then of course you will review the fees and confirm the payment and complete verification if prompted. And then after that, you will just have to wait for the blockchain confirmation, and then the BTC will reach the recipient. And by the way, you should also always double check addresses before sending Bitcoin so that you will be able to prevent loss. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.